Uh-oh. You cry.
That car down there.
What?
That car.
That car?
Yeah.
Down where?
Down the steps.
Down the steps?
Yeah. And more chairs.
I put those chairs though so you don't drive down the steps. Yeah, those are the diapers that have to go to the garbage. Uh-oh, is Coda stuck in the garage?
Yeah.
Should we go get him?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go get him. First, will you sing your ABCs?
No.
And then we'll go get him.
No.
Oh.
No ABCs.
Can you count to 20?
No. I told that.
Okay, we'll get Coda. Who's down there? Who's that?
My Emma.
Is she sleeping? Yeah. She's cute, isn't she?